This training video will guide you through WaterPlay Interactive's Help Center. When working on a project, you can access the Help Center at any point in time by clicking the question mark in the top right corner. You can then click on a user interface element to learn more about it. The top left expansion panel gives you quick access to various elements, including output documents, such as 3D renders, 2D layouts, and quotes. Access your camera in order to create 3D fly-throughs, still renders, and even enter your park from a first-person perspective. This panel also allows you to access your opportunity profile form and additional options. The center panel lets you undo and redo your previous selection and gives you a real-time view of your current budget and flow rate totals. The top right panel lets you toggle on or off various elements. You can turn off pricing from the center panel, switch between perspective and top view, change units of measure, as well as turn on or off feature spray areas, water, and ADA zones. The upper left panel lets you add and edit elements to your park, including features from various collections, activity towers, and discovery streams. You can edit your current pad or add additional pads to your design, and even add site decorations.